To learn English, subscribe Grand Learning School. When? When will you go? When will you go? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When do you study? When do you study? When is your school over? When is your school over? When was it finished? When was it finished? Now, why? It's indicate reason. Why me? Why me? Why not? Why not? May I ask why? May I ask why? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why will you go? Why will you go? Why do you live here? Why do you live here? Do you know why? Do you know why? Why is it empty? Why is it empty? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why do you cry? Why do you cry? Why do you cry? Now where? It's indicate place. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where is your pen? Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Now where are you? Now where are you? Where is your room? Where is your room? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where do you go? Where do you go? Where are they live? Where are they live? Now who? It's indicate person. Who are you? Who are you? Who broke this glass? Who broke this glass? Who is absent? Who is absent? Who is concealed? Who is concealed? Who are he? Who are he? Who are next? Who are next? Who stole the mobile phone? Who stole the mobile phone? Who makes sound? Who makes sound? Now who is? It indicates choice. Which one is yours? Which one is yours? Which one is your car? Which one is your car? Which car do you want? Which car do you want? Which shirt is mine? Which shirt is mine? Which one is better? Which one is better? Which pen do you want? Which pen do you want? Which pen do you want? Which car do you like? Which car do you like? Which pen is yours? Whose pain is yours? Now whose? Whose home is this? Whose home is this? Whose pain is this? Whose car is this? Whose book is this? Now what time? It's indicate a certain time. What time is it now? What time is it now? What is dinner time? What is dinner time? What time do you go home? What time do you go home? What time do you go to office? What time do you go to office? Now what kind? It's indicate description. What kind of meal do you eat? What kind of meal did you eat? What kind of meal did you eat? What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? Now what? It's indicate object, idea or action. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? What's your name? What's your name? What did you say? What did you say? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's your choice? What's your choice? Now, how long? It's indicate length or duration. How long will it take? How long will it take? How old are you? How old are you? How old is your father? How old is your father? How old is your father? Now, how far? It's indicate distance. How far is it from here? How far is it from here? How far is it to the market? Now, how many? It's indicate quantity of noun. How many balls do you have? How many balls do you have? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? How many mobile do you have? How many mobile do you have? Now how much? It's indicate uncountable noun. Okay. How much is this car? How much is this car? How much is this book? How much is this book? Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon.